All right, man, we're on 30156 Dresden. The insurance company said to come out here and replace 13 shingles. And that's what I come to do for the lady. I brought a bundle. So I got up on the roof and sure enough, I mean, well, scan around, you can see what we did. We actually seen more than 13 shingles. Here goes one of them. Here's another wind damaged one right here where you can see. And then, of course, the hail damage. You can see where I got the marks. I'm going to have the pictures for them. Here's another couple of wind damaged shingles right here. We're on the west side, that is. So, make a long story short, gonna try to make this repair for the lady to get these 13 shingles they had called. But the truth is, I got, at least 13 or 15 wind damage shingles on this side, so that don't match their number, and I got hail damage shingles. Then if you look at the other side over here, it got over 20 wind damage shingles if you kind of scan it out, and it got some hail damage on it. That'd be the east side. Now back on this west side, I guess this was it had 13 wind damage. I mean, it got 13 hail damage shingles in my square, and none of that was on the insurance report. So, but we, to be honest with you, we did do a stress test. We got up here, I went over there and tried to replace the shingle, and it seemed to me like it's just gonna make a big mess, man, trying to replace. There's 13 shingles, but at the same time, there's the garage. I mean, I can see where I got wind and hail damage on it. So to make a long story short, man, it's a lot more than 13 shingles. We're gonna try to replace them right here. But to be honest with you, we did do a stress test, and it seemed to me like every time I try to replace that shingle over there, the next shingle would start breaking. We're gonna do it here. We can help her out because she's in a bind. I told her she needed a new roof. The lady couldn't really afford it, you know. So she depended on the insurance company to come through for her. So, her being my neighbor, I had to be there. See there, partner, when I went to get the nails loose out of this, watch what happened. I was gently sliding the flat bar over and it cracked that one. So I know I gotta at least go that high now. All right, here we go. Here's that shingle, y'all, that I'd got to at the top that was tore. I had to go another way up. There.
Watch the shingle gonna slide down.
Ooh, I could hear that sucker when I freaking lifted it up, dude. I could hear it crack. All right, I'm gonna go one more higher. Not a problem. Anyway, need to go one more higher, so I might as well do it. Boom. It's gonna hurt. Man, I'm gonna go one more higher, but I'll be honest with you. I tried to start out by placing this shingle. When I went to get it, it tore that one right here. Now that I got it out, I go to put these in, it cracks this one. Damn, dude, barely touched it and that one tore. And look, I'll be honest with you, I'm already back to this power vent where it had a creased shingle. So by me replacing this shingle, that one ended up tearing. When I went to put it in, this one cracked. Then by touching it, that one tore, now into this one. So what I'm trying to say is, man, this roof is unrepairable. It's over 15 years old. I mean, and I ain't even tried to lift it up to get my nails up under that, which I'm gonna do in a second. But the sheer number of damage that you're gonna see on these shingles, look at the garage, how it's marked up. I mean, those are damaged shingles. There ain't no way to repair this roof. And I'm gonna send this video to you. Thank you.